Grandma, do you want me to go on my mission?
The mission says,
And then college?
then college.
Okay.
First mission.
Okay. Do you want me to get married?
No.
No?
Now?
No.
Too early.
Okay. Love you.
Hmm?
I said I love you.
Okay.
Can you say it back? Thank you. Don't ever laugh with me.
No, Gunny. Oh.
Nice. Good idea.
Good idea. Not a good idea. First, I go on my mission, then I come back, and I go to college. Huh? Okay. Thank you.